Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Jenny Bonnie here and I'm so glad to see you again for today's episode of Try Like Jenny. I'm so happy to tell you guys that I got a sponsorship, a hair wig, a wig company sent me a wig and I'm so happy because I've never tried a lace front wig. So I tried to put on a wig before. If you haven't checked that out yet, then just click down the link in this video. And I tried putting on the wig for the first time, and it's basically a wig, but it's not a lace front wig. So I've never tried putting on a lace front wig ever. So this is my first time trying on a lace front wig, and it's from Babala hair. So they sent me this wig. I was basically given a chance to choose which type of wig and which wig color I would want to try on. So I can't wait to show you guys what I chose. So first of all, when you open the box, you will receive this really cute comb. I think this is for the wig. And then the wig, you would also receive a wig cap. So I have a wig cap already that I've used before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this thing inside the box, and I'm just gonna use my old wig. And this is the wig. Oh my goodness. So it's pretty long. It goes like, when I stand up, like right here, can you see that? It's like on my waistline. So this is quite a long wig. And also they're so nice to send me a postcard with my name on it. To Jenny, have a wonderful life. And it's very, very cute. So this is the wig. Look how gorgeous it is. It is basically a pink, like ash pink or something like that color. So look at that. It's so beautiful. So I already tried this on just to see how it goes on my head before filming this, guys, because I don't want to look like a mess. Okay, just like the first video I've shown you guys, and I'm like trying so hard to put a wig on and I look like a mess. So what I did was, this is a lace front wig. So basically there's a lace right here and you need to cut it before putting it on. So I actually googled that out, and before putting on the wig, you need to like tidy up your hair first. I really have a really long hair, as you can see. So I need to tidy up first and put a wig cap. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So what I like to do, so actually some YouTuber suggested it to me to braid my hair first. So I have a hair tie right here, and I like to braid it like this. I can braid it like at the back, so I'm just gonna braid it like this at the side. So just keep on braiding it. Now once you're done braiding your hair like that, what I'm gonna do is, I don't know, like you go. Make sure there's no hair showing. As much as possible, you really gotta clean this out. Bear with me, guys, because I haven't like really, I'm not expert in putting on a wig, so this is such a struggle for me. I look sick right now, but okay, once you put on the wig cap, so you're just gonna put this thing on, and it has like a clip. I'm just gonna show you real quick. It has a clip right here, so you could clip it, and you could like tighten this thing together like that, or you could tighten this up by putting it right here, so it could tighten like that. So push your hair at the back, and with the clip right here, just you can really see. It's pretty gorgeous. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. It actually looks so real. Like look at this. It looks so beautiful. I even can't believe, like, you could even tell really like this is a wig. Like, it looks so real. This is so amazing. I'm like actually in love with this wig. It looks so nice. This is so amazing. It looks super nice. The wig is actually perfect fit for my head, and it's just absolutely amazing. It looks very natural. It's so beautiful, and you could even tell like it's a wig. And like, I'm so happy and so grateful that Babala Hair sent me this wig. If you guys want to achieve this look as well, and if you want to know more about them, then go ahead, check the link down on my description box. It would take you to Babala Hair, and also I have some discount code there for you guys as well. So if you want to buy one now, then just click the link down below. I think this wig has a very high quality materials on it, and aside from that, it's really super long. Like, you could like choose how long you want it to be. They have different styles of wigs, colors. Just go on and check their website. It's babalahair.com. And as you can see, this wig is a lace front wig, a glueless lace front wig, and it costs about $99. And what I'm wearing right now is candy pink. So it is actually looks so real, natural. Even my friends could even tell that this is a fake wig. But you don't have to splurge on a natural hair wig that would cost you so much money. I think this synthetic wig itself looks so natural already. So for $99, this is such a steal, and it looks very, very nice. It's very volumized. It doesn't look cheap at all, and it's not that heavy as well. So overall, I give this 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I give this wig 10 out of 10 just because it fits perfectly, and I'm so overwhelmed and blown away of how this wig looks so natural on me. So yes, so find this video fun and helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe on my channel. I want you and I to be friends, and I don't want you to miss any of my fun videos. So please click down the red button below. And also, if you have any suggestions of anything that you want me to try, then don't forget to comment down your thoughts below. Feel free to tell me or suggest, like, how would I suggest to me like how to wear a lace front wig, because I really don't have idea. I'm just trying to figure out how. So that's it for my review. If you guys want to know more about this wig, then just ask me any questions. I would literally reply with you guys as soon as I can. So hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you again next time. Bye!